everybody, this is Celestine57. Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing Watch Dogs episode 3. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed the episode. Please subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video. I know I told you that I'm not going to upload until Monday, but I didn't tell you that I'm not going to upload any other videos than just Minecraft. So, yeah. And also, if you're wondering, I'm actually not going to have them all done until probably like next week, because I still have to have a lot of work done. And I just barely started a new skyscraper, so be aware for that. And a new office building, which Castleman helped me with. So yeah, Castleman we'll just take you tour, and I'm just gonna stand behind the camera and just wait for him to be done.
It's gonna be crazy.
So Lion's just gonna talk to you, and I'll be stupid.
Well, I'm gonna be really crazy. I'm going to be really crazy. Want me to do another video? Comment down below what you want us to do on videos, and you should ask for the thing, because if you do it, we'll do more videos of Watch Dogs for you.
Oh, and also, guys, remember that Watch Dogs episode 4, Watch Dogs 2 episode 4 will come out on Tuesday, so be aware of that. And we're also gonna do some videos on our vacation with the go-kart, ATVs, four-wheelers, or whatever. So yeah, that's gonna be our vacation, because Landon and I both have off on Friday. So yeah. Oh, and also be aware that Warriors Last Frontier will come out probably in a week. I don't know the deal, because I haven't figured out how to record it yet. So just be aware of that. And we decided to make this video tonight because we didn't really want to spend our time on the thing, so yeah.
Yeah.
Well, guys, just so you know, we're also, tonight we're also going to do another video since we missed so much. We're also going to showcase some of our, oh yeah, remember that Xbox 360 collection showcase? Tonight we're actually going to do our Xbox One game collection showcase. So, yeah. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next videos, and yeah.
Well, this is really good. We got 431 views for the YouTube channel. So keep on doing views. Jeez, you're giving us a lot. For just 60, for 61 videos, you've really done. We've done a lot of support. You've done a lot of support for us. I've done a lot of support. You've done a lot of support to the channel, this channel, and we're doing a lot of dumpster diving. We're going to dumpster diving tomorrow. It's going to be Monday after school. Probably going to pull it at 5 o'clock. Yeah, so we want to do this at nighttime because it's easier to record at nighttime. I'm probably gonna do a little bit of recording at night. It's not that late at night. I'll be uploading the video, I think today or tomorrow. If you want to see the dumpster diving video, like and subscribe and post notification. What next dumpster diving video you want us to do? iPhone shops, like like phone shops, GameStop. We're gonna be letting you do that. You're gonna be showing us that, and then give us a lot of views because we got like for this starting of a YouTube channel, geez, we got a lot.
Sorry guys, I'm so sorry if the camera doesn't show like the map on the left side and then the controls on the right side. The camera for the Xbox we actually use. The camera that we use on the Xbox now is actually horrible, and it doesn't include the whole screen. I mean, most cameras, like the Xbox recorder or whatever, usually records everything, but for some reason this camera doesn't. So, and it's also connected to our YouTube channel, so we can upload anytime. So I don't know what's up, but I'll try and get that fixed in the meantime. You're just gonna have to be in with me, and you might see a drastic change with my channel over the next month. So just be aware of that. I might get like 40 subscribers in a month, so just be aware of that. And yeah, I hope to get more subscribers, because, you know, even though some of the subscribers might be stupid or whatever,
okay,
they might be actually good.
Okay, so if you want to put this on your calendar, so say David Redden's gonna be doing dumpster diving tomorrow or next week on Monday, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna be doing it on Monday after school. We can't have an early video because we're not going to GameStop that early, and like 6 o'clock in the morning. Would that be tiring, Philip?
Yeah. But anyways, guys, as you know, this is gonna be the main video for today. Also another video tonight, but just so you know, 2 videos will come out tomorrow. One will be about the progress about that blue stained glass skyscraper and the quartz that I was making. And then there's a new skyscraper or an office building. They're both office buildings, but I have 2 office buildings that I've finished. One is all complete on the outside, just have to finish the inside. So it's going to be Springfield City, progress number 1 for the one that's already done with all the outside. And the one that's bare, not all the way done with the outside, that's going to be on the progress number 2. And then probably on Tuesday or Wednesday, progress number 3, and then Wednesday, progress number 4. And by progress number 4, and well, the next video on progress number 4, on Wednesday we'll probably have the mall, so we can show you how to make Toys R Us, Target, that type of thing. So if you want us to do that, then please leave a comment down below what you want to do. And also, just so you know, on Wednesday or Tuesday, I don't know when, probably Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, just put it down in your calendar for all those days. Because I know it's Wednesday, of course, because that's when the cousins come over. But Champion Cult will show you how to do an art. We'll show you how to make a warrior cat, and she's really good at it. So you might learn something from her. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. And also, I was just telling you that information, so the next video will be about that. Just telling you information and also showing you all the games we have for Xbox One. So, I'm just going to leave it to Len.
I'm gonna be shooting the people. Do you want to see my cup?
That is very nice, Castellan.
Do you want some pencil? Do you want my pencil? Do you want some pencil? Hey, hey, hey. Want to see my pencil? Oh. You want to see my pencil? Oh.
Really? Why are you acting like Jeffy for messing up?
I'm just being funny. I'll stop acting like him because it gets annoying sometimes, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try one more. This is the road.
Oh my gosh. Man. Did you see that, dude? You hit a tree branch and you just like flew off your motorcycle like you're gonna dash something. I don't know.
I did nothing.
Oh, and by the way, guys, if you noticed, I'm pretty sure the graphics are going to be way better on this video. So just be aware of that. It's not like blue and red lines as it was on Watch Dogs episode 2 and 1. So this will be the new episode for today, and also another episode for today. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Please subscribe.
I'm just gonna shoot one more person.
Yeah, shoot one more person, dudes. My dudes. And well, see you later, guys. Oh, also be aware that next video will be information and also an Xbox One list. So, bye.